What does painting wet on wet mean? Hmm, that's right. That means you're using wet paint on wet paper. And when you do that, the color um, bleeds out and it gets a fuzzy appearance, and using that technique allows you to blend colors together really nicely if you wanted to paint a sky, for instance, and you don't want to have any streaks. Painting wet on dry means what? That's right, that's using wet paint on dry paper. And when you do that, the colors stay put. They stay exactly where you want them to be. Let's see if you can spot, where did the artist use wet on wet here? That's right. They use those techniques on the outsides. Look how beautifully those colors blend together. Where did they use wet on dry? Yes, here in the middle for the flowers. So the artist made sure to let that paper dry after painting that beautiful background. And then they went back and put the very detailed um, flowers on. How about in this next painting? Where did the artist use wet on wet? That's right. On the outside again, you can see those fuzzy colors that are bleeding together. And then where did the artist use wet on dry? Right again. That's right here on the stems, and we can see it on the flowers. So the artist made sure to let that paper dry because had they not, it would have ended up looking just like it would out here. Great job!